Some will quietly save you hundreds every year on repairs, others will add serious miles and years to your vehicle's life. And yeah, there are plenty of pros in the industry who'd rather you stayed in the dark. These hacks sound almost too clever to be real, but they work. Let's dive in. Hack number 17. Go ahead, open your door right now and take a big sniff inside. If you catch that musty, damp, slightly chemical odor that no air freshener ever kills, you're not imagining it. That's mold and bacteria thriving deep inside your AC evaporator core hidden behind the dash. Most people mask it with sprays or swap the cabin filter and wonder why the smell comes right back. Here's the fix that actually works. Grab a cheap bottle of 3% hydrogen peroxide from any pharmacy, pour it into a spray bottle and fire up the car. Set the AC to max cold, fan on high, recirculation off. Pop the hood, find the fresh air intake at the base of the windshield, usually passenger side, and spray a steady mist straight into it while the blower pulls it through. The peroxide blasts through the entire system and wipes out the mold colonies on contact. Let it run for a full 10 minutes. Next time you start the car, fresh air. A dealership AC disinfection often runs $80 $150. This costs you about $2. Same powerful chemistry, zero markup. Hack number 16. You're driving the same routes, but the tank seems to empty faster lately. You blame traffic, age, or just expensive gas. What you probably missed is a fuel-saving mode already built into your car that's been sitting there unused. Most vehicles from 2015 onward, especially Toyotas, Hondas, Fords, Hyundais, Kias, and Nissans, have an Eco button on the dash, console, or steering column. On hybrids, it might say EV or Eco mode. Tap it once. The car instantly softens throttle response, shifts earlier, eases back on the AC compressor, and trims other loads. Real-world result: 8–12% better fuel economy with zero mechanical changes. For the average driver covering 15,000 miles at $3.50 a gallon, that's $200, $300 back in your pocket every year, just by pressing a button you already paid for. Dealers rarely point it out because it doesn't make them money. Hack number 15. Bird droppings baked onto your paint from yesterday's parking lot ambush. Most drivers grab a rag and start scrubbing, only to create swirl marks that ruin the clear coat. Here's the professional trick that's been hiding in your kitchen. Take original Blue Dawn dish soap, undiluted, and dab it straight onto the dried spots. Let it sit 5 minutes. That formula was literally created to break down tough biological oils and uric acid. Gently wipe with a damp microfiber cloth using straight lines only, then rinse. The droppings lift cleanly without touching your paint. Detail shops charge $35 for a quick removal using similar surfactant chemistry. Dawn costs $4 and lasts forever. Hack number 14. You pull the oil dipstick before a road trip, see what looks like enough oil, and put it back. Big mistake most drivers make. The first reading is almost always wrong because oil coats and smears the stick on the way out. Correct way: pull it fully out, wipe it completely clean with a paper towel, push it all the way back in, then pull it out again. That second reading is accurate. Keep the level between the marks, ideally near the top. If it's low or barely visible, you're running 1 to 2 quarts down and accelerating engine wear. Mechanics do this quick check during service and charge for a multi-point inspection. Takes you 90 seconds in your driveway. Hack number 13. That stubborn, stale smell that survives every air freshener, it's not the seats or carpets on the surface, it's organic compounds soaked deep into the foam padding and carpet underlayment. Here's a free, ridiculously effective solution. Dry out used coffee grounds completely, pack them loosely into thin cloth bags or old socks, and tuck one under each front seat. Leave them 72 hours. The porous cellulose in the grounds acts like a molecular magnet, pulling odors out of the air and trapping them. Swap the bags every couple of weeks for ongoing freshness. Premium deodorizers cost $25.40 per use. Coffee grounds are free after your morning brew. Hack number 12. You pull into a gas station and realize you parked on the wrong side of the pump again. Frustrating, right? Look at your fuel gauge right now. There's a tiny arrow or triangle right next to the gas pump icon. That arrow points exactly to the side of the car where your filler neck is located. It's been standard on nearly every vehicle sold in the US since the late 80s. Once you notice it, you'll never guess again. Hack number 11. The pump shows regular, mid-grade, and premium. A lot of drivers automatically go for the higher octane thinking it's better for the engine. Truth, the vast majority of cars on the road, sedans, SUVs, trucks, are engineered and labeled for 87 octane regular. Premium gives zero extra performance, economy, or longevity benefit on these engines. Only certain high-compression turbocharged performance cars actually need it. Check the sticker on your fuel door. If it says regular or nothing specific, you've been paying extra for nothing. Switching back can save $150 $300 a year for average drivers. Before we keep rolling, if you're learning something here, hit that like button. It really helps support more of this no-fluff, tested content. Hack number 10. Windshield wipers streaking and chattering across the glass. Don't rush to replace them every 6 months. Take a little WD-40 on a clean cloth and wipe it slowly along the rubber edge of each blade. It dissolves the UV-hardened oxidation layer, restores flexibility, and brings back that perfect wipe angle. One quick treatment can add 6 to 9 months of life. It can cost $3 and does way more than just this job. Hack number 9. Night driving with someone blasting high beams behind you. That annoying glare in your eyes. Look at the bottom of your interior rearview mirror. There's a small tab or lever. Flip it down. The mirror shifts into its anti-glare day-night position, cutting glare dramatically while still letting you see the road behind. It's been standard since the 1960s. Most drivers have never touched it. Hack number 8. Inside windshield always ends up streaky and hazy no matter what glass cleaner you buy. Those products leave residue that attracts more dust. Mix white vinegar 50-50 with water and wipe with crumpled newspaper. The newsprint fibers pick up grease without lint and the vinegar cuts through film perfectly. No streaks, no haze, and it costs pennies. Professional window cleaners have used this method for years. Hack number 7. Your dashboard has way more info than you're seeing. Most modern cars let you cycle through trip computer, real-time fuel economy, tire pressures, digital gauges, and more, all from a button on the steering wheel. Look for a small mode, disp, or info button or scroll wheel. Press it and explore. Your owner's manual barely mentions it, but it's all there waiting. Hack number 6. Come back to a car that's been baking in the sun and the steering wheel feels like a frying pan. When you park, take 5 seconds to point the front of the car toward where the sun will be strongest over the next few hours. The hood and windshield take the heat while the cabin stays noticeably cooler, sometimes 30 degrees difference. Simple awareness beats expensive sun shields. Hack number 5. Dashboard dust and vent grime that microfiber just pushes around. Grab a can of compressed air for $5 or $8. Short bursts into every vent and louver blast out years of built-up debris. Airflow improves, the musty smell vanishes, and your cabin feels brand new. Hack number 4. For passive odor control that actually works, place an open box of baking soda under a seat or in the trunk. It absorbs the real odor molecules instead of just covering them with perfume. Replace monthly for a genuinely fresh cabin at almost zero cost. Hack number 3. Dashboard warning lights confuse everyone. Remember the colors. Red means stop safely right away. Yellow-orange means schedule service soon. Blue-green is just informational. Spend 10 minutes reading the warning lights section in your owner's manual. Knowing exactly what each icon means saves you from unnecessary panic trips to the shop. Hack number 2. Steering wheel scorching hot after sitting in the sun. Before you walk away, rotate the wheel 180 degrees from center. The top half that was baking in direct sunlight now faces down, and the cooler bottom half comes up to where your hands go. Free and works on every car. Hack number 1. The most expensive summer mistake: jumping in a hot car and blasting the AC immediately. Instead, open the driver and passenger doors plus the rear windows. Fan the passenger door like a bellows a few times to push superheated air out. Then start the car, roll windows down halfway, and drive slowly for 30 seconds with AC off. Close everything up, turn on max AC with recirculation, and feel the difference. The system works on air that's already 30-40 degrees cooler, reaches comfort much faster, cycles the compressor far less, improves fuel economy, and dramatically extends AC component life. One habit that can save you $1,500,3000 over the life of the vehicle in avoided repairs and fuel. There you have it, 17 powerful car hacks that mechanics and dealers would rather you never learned. Each one is free or cheap, takes almost no time, and delivers real results the moment you try it. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which hack you're trying first. More tested, money-saving content coming soon. See you in the next one. Drive safe.